Hello, so I gotta tell you, I'm excited to get into this package. It's been here for days. Yep, literally days, and I've been so busy with different things, I haven't had a chance to get into this. I'm excited to see this. I am, because this is something a little different. At least it's different to me. Sorry for the noise. It's in this big, huge box, right? So, all right. So we got a box in a box. There we go. There, make some noise. All right, so imagine Micromosaics. It's on Amazon. Imagine Micromosaics. And they have a lot of things. They have sizes like this big one. They have small ones, just so you know. Let's show you what it is. Oh, goodness. How are we going to get into this? I guess it's all taped up on the back, so we're going to get right into this here. A knife would probably be easier, but I have scissors, so. Yeah, we'll get into it. Honest, we will. We'll break in. Whoop, I'll break into you too. All right, so here's what we have. It is a mounted canvas. Look at, that's how it comes. That's awesome. More noise, sorry. That is awesome. Look at, I love it. It's mounted on canvas. Look. It's got a little color on the edges and everything. Just to make it pretty, you could hang it just like this. It's awesome. All right, pick and place with tweezers. Method 1 or method 2, load the pen with wax. Use that. ImagineMicro.com. Your feedback helps. Give us a thumbs up. Review us on Amazon. Well, I certainly will. Oh, hang on. What did I see? Work in small sections. When you're finished, firmly press down the drills to secure. And for protection, cover your artwork with a clear spray-on acrylic sealer. This is not going to go in a frame. So let's get into it. It's all sealed up in plastic. I like that. It's stapled on the back. It's stapled on the back really nicely. Here's our drills. Here's our tool kit. Let's get the plastic off it. This is awesome. A ready to go mounted canvas. Awesome. Yay, I'm so excited to see this. All right, plastic. All right, so see the staples? See all the staples? It's stapled on there really nicely. It's stapled on this wooden frame. Pretty sturdy, look at that. This is what I got. Oh, it is flip-flops. It's just flip-flops in summer in the sand. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that's a lot of color blocking there. We got some color blocking here. Okay, let's bring you up really close so you can see. There's symbols, A, B, C. It looks like it's all letters and all numbers. I think it is. Color blocking a little, well, that's some confetti down there. Look at R's and O's. Down here you get some more color blocking. A starfish. It's pretty light right now, but that's okay. I mean, it's going to turn out just fine. Look at it. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. And then you get some palm leaves up on the top. Yay! Look at, it's awesome. So you just peel your little paper back here, or your plastic. Okay. Peel your plastic back on the corner. It's kind of wrapped around here, so that side's tucked under and into the staples. Let's work on this side. Let's work on the top edge. It's not all hooked in. All right, so you pull the plastic back. Sure you do. It's very thin plastic, so you're going to have to be careful when you pull it back. Ooh, it's sticking up here, because it's like super thin. All right. Pull the plastic back. There we go. And voila. Oh my goodness, it's sticky. Super sticky. Oh, the plastic went back down. Really sticky. It's very thin plastic, so you're gonna have to be careful, you know, not to let it get all mucked up on there, because it might. But isn't that cute? And it's mounted. It's awesome. So here's our toolkit. A white boat with a spout, pink pen, wax, and some tweezers, because they said, you know, you can use tweezers or load your pen up with wax. Yeah, that's what they said. Here is our inventory sheet. We get a little inventory sheet. There's the picture. Look at it. It's so cute. So cute. Flip-flops in the sand. So it's got 30 colors. Holy cow. And it is all letters and numbers. There's our symbols. It's got DMC codes. DMC codes aren't in order, but hey, that's okay. They're in order by color, kind of. Look, reds are at the top, blues, greens, yellows. Yeah, they're in like color groups. That's cool. And they're all letters and numbers. The symbols are. And look at the drills. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is coral. And they're squares. Oh my goodness, you guys, they're squares. They are. Wow, they're square. All right, we gotta look at these. Let me get some out. I love this. This is awesome. So they're not in any particular order, really. No, they're not. So look at these corals, though. I'm going to pull out some of these coral colors. Wow, these are so pretty. That one flip-flop's going to be corals. Look at those. Those are so pretty. All right, let's look really close at this one. Let's look really close. Let's get right up there. Look at those drills. Oh my goodness, you guys. They look really, really, really good. They look really nice. Look at those. I don't see divots. I don't see bumps. I don't see anything wrong with these. Nothing misshapen. Look. Wow. They look awesome. Okay, this is exciting. This is super exciting. A framed canvas. Look at those drills. They look perfect. I mean, seriously. Oh, I see one little piece of trash right there. There's a little piece of trash. But as far as the drills go, there's something in there. I don't know what. But if you look at each individual drill, the drills look smooth and clean. Wow. Okay. This could be a lot of fun. There's a bunch of stuff on Amazon for them, you guys. There's some small ones that are like, I don't know, 12 by 12 inch maybe. This one's 40 by 50. Let's see. Let's see if it is 40 by 50. Let me see. Got my tape measure right here. Look at all the pretty colors though. Wow. Before we look at those. Look at those colors. Greens and yellows and oranges and blues. They're gorgeous. These drills look awesome. I'm impressed so far. I really am. Ooh, olive. And this color's fantastic. Let's see. I don't see any problem with these, really. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to try some of this. I might not do the whole thing right now because it would really be a fun summer project, or maybe in the middle of winter when I'm dreaming of summer. But those drills look awesome, and this canvas, it's on a hard canvas. It's cool. All right, what do we got for size? It is 49. Okay, that's pretty darn close. 49 that way, and that's just the drill area, by 39 this way. If you did the whole thing right out to the edge, I think you get 40 by 50. But that is close, you guys. Super close. 49 by $39. Yeah, that's pretty close to what it says it's supposed to be. You can't argue with that a whole lot, right? Oh, you guys got to go check these guys out. Like I said, they've got small things and they got cute stuff. Oh my gosh, they got cute stuff. It's awesome. Framed and ready to go. Just spray some sealer on it, as they say. Yeah. Oh, I love it. All right, you guys, I really don't have anything else to say. I mean, it comes with your inventory sheet, DMC codes, square drills, beautiful drills. Look at those beautiful drills. They're gorgeous. Decent little tool kit. I don't think it cost that much. I don't remember. I'll put it below, but I don't think it was that expensive even. I know the smaller ones were like $10. This one might have been 20 or something like that. But it's ready to go when you're done. You don't have to frame it or anything. It's just ready to hang up on your wall. That's worth a couple bucks right there, isn't it? So check them out. Name again. Let me tell you one more time. Where is it? ImagineMicro.com, and I will certainly link them below. There you have it. I love it. It's cool. All right, you guys. That's the end of this video, so go check them out, and I'm going to go make another video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you've never been here before, welcome. This is my crazy life, so enjoy. I do. Anyhow, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.